PowerShift comes from an Evan Toffler book, and the future of information flowing down to the consumer. And that's what I based my business on, is the idea of
shifting power to the customer. So we do this in basically all of our services.
In our web design, we've always focused on open source software so that the customer has control.
We try to educate our customers to take their website to the next level and manage their content on their own.
We're always very careful to make sure people are aware of how their domain works and the fact that they have the control over it. It's their property.
If you're looking for a custom website, the services that we really perform using open source software is that we'll come up with a design look and then build a template around that design and then build in all the functionality as well. The biggest advantage is to go with an open source solution versus something proprietary. A single company, you may only have 20 developers that are trying to fix this bug. With Joomla, the content management system that we primarily use, you have a forum board with a few million posts in it, as well as a couple 100,000 registered users. So the resources are pretty much endless as far as support and add-ons, scalability, and so forth. In the past, with a lot of websites, if you wanted to redesign your site per se, you would have to also redesign your content. With something like Joomla, WordPress, Drupal, or one of these open source softwares, you're able to keep the content and then do a redesign. It's another reason why it's a lot more cost effective. When we develop a website in a content management system, the client can actually change all that stuff on their own, so they're not having to pay their designer each time they want to make a simple text edit. In Vermont Electric Co-op, one of the first companies in the country to extend smart grid technology to their consumers, they were able to implement their own custom web application that runs this smart grid technology right into the Joomla software. Doing business with PowerShift is just really about communication and support.
We answer the phone. We cover all aspects in-house. We're not outsourcing anywhere. When you call us, you're talking to the people that are working on your site, that are hosting your site, that are handling your email.
It feels good at the end of the day that we could say that everyone on the team is local and that's able to communicate with our clients at any given time.
Being based in Stowe, Vermont, has the advantage of our employees enjoy the outdoors. They want to live here. It's part of the great state of Vermont, where being local is important to people.
Although we are in a small town, one of our other mottos is locally owned,
globally connected, and community driven.
We do local business, but we also extend out to other states as well as outside of the U.S.
It's important to us to be a part of the community. People have a neighborly, friendly attitude, and we carry that friendly, neighborly attitude over the phone and through our conversation and interaction with our customers.